In the main lesson, you use the Fill Color tool to choose a color for your progress bar. You can also assign a color using a hex color code. A hex color code is a 6-digit code made of numbers and letters. It is used to specify colors on a screen. Hex color codes are useful because they produce precise, standard colors and make colors look consistent across all different browsers. In this extension, you will change a font color in your presentation using a hex color code. To begin, start a new blank presentation. Add a title and subtitle to the first slide. Then, open a new tab in your browser and do an internet search for hex color codes. Choose a color for your presentation title. Copy the hex color code. Return to your presentation and select the title. Open the text color menu and choose Custom. Paste your hex color code over the value. Nice work! You adjusted the title font color with a hex code. Go back to the color picker and select a second color for the subtitle. Copy the hex code. Return to your presentation and select the subtitle. Use the Custom Text Color menu to paste in the new hex code. Great job! Keep trying out different colors for your presentation by selecting different hex color codes from the color picker. Now it's your turn. Open a new presentation in Google Slides. Add a title and subtitle to your presentation. Use a color picker to choose a color for the title. In the text color tool, choose Custom and paste in the hex color code. And repeat the process for your subtitle.